This is the Simmons 8862 3/4 brass valve body for the 900 series new style imported hydrants with the squared handle. Now on this valve body, right in the middle, on the side right here, you're gonna have this little hole. That's called the weep hole. This is what allows the water that is left in the pipe after the hydrant shuts off. It allows it to drain out of that hole. And then the valve body, it's just designed to attach the hydrant to the main water supply or plumbing. And a couple dimensions, we'll start with a total length. So measuring from end to end, we're right at about 3 7/8 inches. And measuring outer diameter at the larger end, we're right at about 1.5 inches. Then the inner diameter at the threads, we're going to be right at about 1.25 inches. And coming down to the more narrow end, inner diameter, right at about 7/8, and then outer, right at about 1.25 inches. And we can also measure the outer diameter here at the weep hole. So be right at 1/2 inch. And then try my best in inner diameter. It's gonna be right at about 1/4 inch. Now in that weep hole, I know it's hard to see on camera, but there is a pretty long set of female or internal threads there. And then it goes to that hole that goes to the middle of the brass valve body. And once again, this is the Simmons 8862 3/4 brass valve body.